26th January 2001. I was still doing my civil engineering and I was sitting with friends in hostel and suddenly the earth shook. We were still thinking that what has happened, and by the time we realized, we have seen the news that there is complete devastation uh, in and around Bhuj. At the same time, like my parents are staying in Ahmedabad, and we have heard that lots of building collapse in Ahmedabad also. It was also a personal tragedy for me because my sister was is still staying in Bhuj, and her house collapsed. So what I have seen is that how earthquake can disrupt the lives of people. I was still like fresh graduate in 2002 and was thinking that what kind of career path should I take. And I got this opportunity to work on a reconstruction program in Patanka and Datrana village in Patan, Gujarat. Um, there were three important lessons as a humanitarian worker, which uh, the Gujarat earthquake has really taught me. First is, if you have a knowledge, it's worth thinking that how that knowledge can be utilized for the larger public good. And that was primarily one of the reason that I have joined this sector. And Patanka and Datrana village were the first, I would say, learning opportunity for me, that how what I have learned in engineering can be utilized for the community. Uh, but at the same time, it's completely a different situation to draw Pythagoras on a piece of paper and to do the same on ground to ensure that the perpendicular angle is there for the houses. I think that's what I've learned from the masons on ground in that village. So the important lesson is that even if you know that if there are lots of things, but when you are going to do that on ground, it's completely a different ball game. The second is that uh, if you want to work on a reconstruction project, it is an amazing opportunity to change the behavior of the people, because as we all know, earthquakes don't kill people, buildings do. And that was the right situation after the Gujarat earthquake, where we have seen that what were the reasons why building collapsed. So that also gave us opportunity, gave me an opportunity personally to work with the communities on a longer term, where we can continuously tell them about the importance of the disaster resilient construction and the buildings. So recovery and reconstruction projects are an amazing opportunity where you can really change the behavior and practices of the communities, which can build the long-term resilience. And the third and the most important lesson which I've learned out of Gujarat earthquake is, communities are not beneficiaries. They are the partners in whatever initiatives you want to do within the disaster management or disaster risk reduction programs. And as we have involved the community as part of this entire work, uh, it, it was amazing to see that how they have contributed and how they have taken the ownership of the reconstruction program. So always treat your community as the strongest partners and not the beneficiaries. So these are some of the lessons which I've learned out of Gujarat earthquake 20 years ago, and I still feel that these are the important lesson which is still driving me to work in the sector and work for Brazilian communities at large.